Hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 31st of March till the 6th of April. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You will find the links below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below. Self-love course is on the way, guys. That's truly a tremendous experience for me, and I'm making that course with 9 years of experience. So the best one that you're going to get very soon, it's coming. Okay, let's see. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, this is a very old t-shirt of mine, 8 9 years old. Today I found it and I felt like I should wear it. Page of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Magician. Okay, someone here is kind of manifesting a brand new beginning in this direction between you and them behind the scenes. Why am I saying behind the scenes? Because this is the moon in the shadow at the bottom of the deck, you can say. So this is someone who is scared that it is never going to happen, and there might be in this energy of giving up, like on this hope that it is ever going to happen between you and them. But they're manifesting this situation back in their life, and they're manifesting a brand new beginning in this chapter, in this dynamics. Very pretty, very pretty simple kind of energy from this person's side, manifesting a brand new beginning, even if they feel it's never going to happen, but they're trying their best. Okay, silently manifesting this. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the moon, the seven of pentacles, the king of cups. See, their intention is to come out of this fear, unknown fear actually, and wait for the time when they are going to be very much confident, very much in this energy of doing something about the situation, and when they will be able to offer you something very beautiful, and or they will be able to open up to the situation completely without any fear, without any kind of obstacles or challenges. So this is someone around you who feels like manifesting you back in their life, but the fear of the unknown and this energy of hopelessness is kind of standing in between, right? And they want to let go of that fear completely so that they can come forward towards you with this confidence, with this emotional stability, and with this kind of offer that you will not be able to refuse. This is their game plan. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty good energy. Let's see what's coming forward towards you, or what action is this person going to take towards you in the situation, if any, by the 6th of April. We have the king of swords, the 10 of swords, the 8 of swords. This person can't stop overthinking, can't stop overthinking. They will be like, okay, whatever happened happened, I can't change it. That much surety, that much confidence they have, that they can't change the past. But when it comes to this energy of doing something about the situation between you and them, taking some kind of action in this direction, they can't stop overthinking. Again, they have lots of fears, they have lots of challenges and obstacles, and they have lots of excuses too. Maybe they are true, maybe they are not, but their overthinking is making the situation worse. And that's why this person is not able to take any kind of action in this direction, even if they want to. Because in their feelings and intentions, they feel like having you back in their life. But when it comes to this energy of taking action, they are feeling numb here. They are like a frozen kind of energy. Okay, not able to understand what they should do actually. For you, the guidance is the Six of Cups. It might be a soul connection for you, and you guys might be having a very beautiful history together. If you feel like this person and you have a great chemistry and you guys can make this work out somehow, take the initiative from your side, Aries. Please do that from your side only if you feel like this is something that you need in your life, want in your life, and this is something that's going to give you something really beautiful, right? Try to sort it out from your side. If not, take all the blessings, all the lessons, all the good things with you and keep moving ahead. Do not be in this energy of revenge or sending this person negative vibes or cursing them or blaming them. Simply stop the blame game, get all the lessons, gather all the lessons and the blessings that you got from the situation, and keep moving ahead. And if you can sort it out, if you can have the reconciliation after talking it out with this person, giving them the confidence that you guys can make this work out, please do that from your side if only you feel like. Yeah, that's your personal choice, but You guys have a soul connection and beautiful history together, so you can try, yeah, if you feel like, before jumping into this conclusion of I don't want this person back in my life no matter what. Yeah, cool. Just a guidance, not a order or something from anybody. Just a guidance. Okay, that's completely up to you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.